In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to point a domain to Hostinger step by step. If you've just purchased hosting and need to connect your domain, this is the complete beginner-friendly guide to get it done correctly. I'll walk you through everything, and by the end of this video, your domain will be properly connected to Hostinger. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical website tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, log into your Hostinger account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on Domains. This section shows all the domains connected to your Hostinger account. Select the domain that you want to point to Hostinger. After selecting your domain, you need to find the DNS settings or the Nameservers section. Depending on your dashboard layout, you may see an option labeled DNS settings, Nameservers, or something similar. Click on it to open the configuration area where you can manage how your domain connects to hosting. Now, this is the most important step. You need to replace your current nameservers with Hostinger's default nameservers. Delete the existing nameservers that are currently listed. Then enter the following two nameservers exactly as shown. The first one is ns1.dns-parking.com. The second one is ns2.dns-parking.com. Make sure there are no extra spaces and that everything is spelled correctly. Even a small typo can prevent your domain from connecting properly. Once you have entered both nameservers, click Save to apply the changes. After saving, your domain will begin pointing to Hostinger servers. Now, it's important to understand that these changes are not instant. DNS propagation can take anywhere from a few minutes up to 24 to 48 hours. In most cases, it updates much faster, but globally, it can take up to 2 days to fully propagate. During this time, your website may not load consistently, and that's completely normal. After propagation is complete, your domain will successfully point to Hostinger, and your hosting account will control your website, emails, and DNS settings. And that's it. That's exactly how you point a domain to Hostinger step by step. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future website and hosting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.